Oh, hi.
I don't think she can answer you yet.
What's your name? What's your name?
Her name is Hannah Lee. What's your name?
Hannah Lee. Hannah Lee.
What's your name?
And the races to hold it?
No, she can't hold it. She's too little. She can't hold toys yet.
Little baby.
Yeah. Be gentle.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows, yes.
I like brows.
Gentle.
I like brows.
What about her hair?
That isn't eyebrows. Hair?
Soft hair, huh? Okay. Be gentle.